Next function that we're going to discuss continuity is going to be linear function. In general, remember that any linear function is defined as f of x equals to mx plus b or ax plus b. It doesn't matter what you're using here. A represents the rate of change or the slope, and b is defined as the y-intercept. Very good. A linear function is going to be continuous on its domain. For example, we can define a linear function as 2x plus 1. Remember that the slope is positive. So you get an increasing line uphill. If you want to, for example, graph this function, x-axis, y-axis, the function behaves like this. It passes through y-axis at 1, because y-intercept is 1. And it passes through x-axis at negative a half. It's the behavior of your function. And as you can see, these dots are all connected together. You can continue putting M&M candies and show the graph of this function. Any linear function is going to be continuous on its domain. The domain starts from negative infinity and it goes to positive infinity. All acceptable x values. So if you take x here, its y is going to be down here. If you take x here, its y going to be down here. If you take x here, the y value is 0. If you take your x here, your y value, which is your M&M, is going to be on top. If your x is here, then y value is on top, and so on. So you're allowed to select any x value from negative infinity to positive infinity, which, as we defined, this is going to be R, or real line. So any linear function is going to be continuous on its domain.